Anywho, guys, good morning from Nanyuki. Oh my god, this place is fabulous. So guys, I am so excited this morning. I woke up in this beautiful Airbnb and I can't wait to show you guys around. It's my first night here, and guys, just like the words of that song, oh my god, it is everything and more, everything I had imagined and more. It is so much more beautiful than what is on the Airbnb app. And to top it off, the host, oh my god, she is such a charmed lady. What do you have to say about this place?
I'm just so grateful that Eva finally got here.
Thank you for having me.
Karibuni Nanyuki.
And so the best part, guys, I recorded some clips when I came in last night because hey, we arrived from Nairobi, and then I had requested my host, let's go for dinner, yada yada, you know, and we ended up coming back here at almost midnight. No regrets, by the way. And so let me quickly show you around the Airbnb, and then I'll be right back with you. So this is the view from outside. Look at that. And oh my god, like, and guys, there's a whole story behind this house. I'm gonna request my host, if she accepts, I'm gonna tell you her story. It is a beautiful story. If resilience was a person, I don't know. And guys, let me just show you something here. So you will notice that, so this is one of the bedroom. This is where I slept last night. You can see there is a balcony right here. Oh, and that's yours truly. There's a balcony there and another balcony right here. That is a balcony of another room, yeah. And then I love this light fixtures. If you were born after 2000, you will not comprehend, but and then look at that sitting arrangement. My goodness, so beautiful. And then this suckers plants. Can you imagine just having your dinner right there, or your lunch? I can't wait to have a meal there. And then look at those, so beautiful. And you will notice that everything is glass here, and this is to take advantage of all the views. So right behind me over there is Mount Kenya. She is not visible, quite visible today, but Mount Kenya is right there in the horizon. And then there's this fire pit here, and you can just enjoy your day here. Now let me take you in, and that's yours truly. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah, look at that, guys. So this is like the living room, and then on the left side, that's bedroom 1 here, and on the right side is bedroom 2. So look at the chandeliers, and then look at the roofing structure. By the way, guys, when you come here, please carry warm clothes, especially for sleeping. If you're man solo like yours truly, it was a little like it was cold at night. Thank God I had carried a sweater, but I regret taking back my muffins. So if you're the type that feels cold like yours truly, get yourself a hat. It was like my head, I felt like it was freezing, but it wasn't like freezing. Once I fell asleep, it was okay. So there's like an island here. Over here, you can see the island. And here, I think you can put your wine bottle, whatever. So that's the island. And then the chandelier vibe is still going on here. You can see. Yeah. We still have that going on. And then, guys, let me just show you. Look at that carpet. The rug is so soft on the leg, and there's that blanket, so cozy. Yeah. And then let's continue with the island area. So that's the island still. You can see you can fit. So there's, I love this rugged seats that are here. And then of course there's the kitchen towels. Everything is so clean, by the way, like everything. Yeah, you can see that's how that is. There's gas, yeah, and there's this countertop. I don't know what you call them. What do you call them? And guys, oh my god, the what do you call these things? The cutlery, out of this world. I love the color. They play with color. So beautiful. Look at the kitchen knives, and it comes with the tea station right there. Yeah. And there's more shelf space if you want to keep your stuff. And there is a fridge, guys. And there is functioning. There's a small fridge there. And even has like ice cubes. And then there's this one. I will not show you to the top because I already put some of my stuff there. And oh my god, look at all the amount of plates that are here. So this house can take up 4 people. Look at the golden plate. I mean, what do you call this? Knives, fork, and whatever. Is that what you call cutlery? If you want to have dessert, look at the iron. They call them cast iron skillet. What do you call these things? I don't even know what you call it. God, it is such high quality. Oh, and it's so heavy. Like I can't even lift with my one hand. High quality, guys. And look at the black vibe going on there, along with the orange. So beautiful. And then look at the sink that's used trulies. And then I really love this touch of I don't know what you call it, like when like it's very creative. Yeah. So this is just a plant. I think they picked one out here. So this is how the kitchen area looks like. Yeah, look at the chandelier vibe still going on there. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't show you the rest of the everything is, yeah, there's mugs there, there's like everything you need to do your dinner is here. Yeah. And guys, I'll show you how beautiful this place looks like in the night. Amazing. I have some shots. So that's the view of the living room from the kitchen. Yeah. And then let me take you now to my room. No judgment, guys. No judgment. You judge me, I curse you. So that's the room, still the black vibe going on. Of course, I slept. Of course, that's my bag. Of course. But thank God for these 2 hot water bottles. Oh my goodness, like it made my night. And guys, it's rainy season, so yeah, I carried my rain jacket, and that's my other jacket. So she provides towels. There's that shelf space. And do you want to see yours truly? There's a mirror there. Guys, I'll show you a nicer picture when I've showered in mirror, but who cares? Look at that sink. It's literally a caraya. You know what is a caraya, guys? I know the youngings can't relate. And they provide you body wash and hand wash. There's drinking water, and oh, the cactus thing is still going on. And then this is the bathroom. So let me open. So you can see the black vibe is still going on. There's a hot shower, guys. So no excuse that why you didn't shower. Let me. Oh, okay. I'm trying to open so you guys can see. So that's the view of the bathroom. Look at, and I love that she's put big windows. I cannot stand those small bathroom windows. I'm trying to open it up. I'm not sure how to hold it up here so that you guys can see. But basically, it's just a bathroom. Yeah. That's the toilet. And she's so kind. She even provided like a bar soap in case you need to do some laundry. There's Jama soap there. So that's the toilet. So creative of her. Look at the shelf. Should have seen me looking for the flashing thing. You see the way she's like covered it so skillfully, so artistically, guys. And the host, she designed this house by herself. So you can imagine, she even provided wet wipes. How cool. It's the first time I have seen wet wipes provided in an Airbnb. Oh, guys, so let me show you the other room. It's just similar to this one, but yeah. So this is now me moving from bedroom 1. That's the view. Oh, those are my shoes. 2. That's the view of a kitchen from bedroom 1. Now, let's move on to bedroom 2. So that's just the door to bedroom 2. At least it's made up, not like the other one I showed you. So, guys, just check that out. Oh my word. I love, 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 love the black vibe going on. Just look at how beautiful that is. Oh my word. And remember those balconies I told you about? So this is like one of the doors, and you can see it's securely locked. So this is one of those doors. That goes now, that's to the balcony. Yeah. Now you get a picture. And I love the curtain. What do you call like the curtain? What do you call this thing? It's creatively, yeah, you can see this for holding the curtain back. I don't know what you call it. Yeah. So I'm standing in one of the corners. Just look at the size of the windows. The black and everything else. So that's the, I don't know what you call that thing, this one. Very creatively done. Yeah. So I'm now standing like the balcony side. That's how the bed looks like, and the pillows, everything else is very, very soft. As you can see here, like it's really like you get 4 pillows. Okay, guys, still debating I was debating which room to sleep in. That's why you can see that the bed is, but when you come, it will be perfectly done. Okay, so just same like the other one. Yeah, towels. There's this for your laundry. So guys, the rustic vibe still going on. There's a mirror there, and it's just like the other side. And then you're gonna get slippers as well. And yeah, it's just exactly like the other house. Yeah, not house, the other bedroom. Okay, and then that's how the roof looks like in all the rooms. So I'm now standing in the bathroom of the second bedroom. That's the vibe you get.